This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Erich PLLC. A unique and centrally located duplex generating great rental income. Very close to downtown Orlando and major roadways. The exterior of the property has newer stucco and was freshly painted in 2021. Roof replaced in 2015 and 2019. Beautiful gray and earth tone colors throughout with interior updates of new PVC piping, HVAC replaced in 2015, with additional window units in some rooms. Both kitchens were recently renovated and received new appliances. Home can easily be converted back into a functioning single-family residence if desired. Please schedule a private showing before it's too late. For more information, review the details below.